Hi, this is Ben, the creator behind the app. We have a new function, create a story. Let's give you a very quick guide. If we click it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 panels. Going to tell a 4-page story. We'll select first one first. Click. We can double click to remove what's already on there, and we can add a character that we want. We drag and drop this rabbit. We can place it anywhere we want on the canvas. If we use double fingers, we can make it bigger and place it somewhere we want. And we can put a background image to be there to have the rabbit on the background. And on top of that, we can have another character. Let's say we put a crab somewhere here. Here's our first panel, and then you can record it using this. Once upon a time, there's a rabbit and a crab. They meet in a city. They wanted to find who runs faster. Once upon a time, there's a rabbit and a crab. They meet in a city. If you're not happy, you can always re-record. Great, now we can go to the second panel of the image. There we go. If the image you want is not there, you can create new. Simply click the plus button, use a photo from your album, or take a new photo, use the camera, just like what we did when we create the friends. You can use it as it is, keep it, or you can enhance it the same way as we did to create images, like this one. So you can click and drag, make it bigger, put it onto the canvas, and there we go. And you can do the same thing to the background as well. There's the plus button. You can choose a background image from your album. We have all 4 panels out. Yay! We have a button to click, finish. And now it's gonna put everything together. We're gonna wait a little bit for the pad to respond. Once upon a time, there's a rabbit and a crab. They meet in a city. They wanted to find who runs faster. They ran all the way to the sky and they reached a magic castle. Once you're happy with it, click the share button to generate a video file so you can send it to grandma or your best friend to share your precious stories. On older model machines, it might take a few minutes, so take a cup of coffee and come back. That's it. Have fun and let the imagination go wild.